Hello everyone. I am here to discuss about the Scott Peck's concept of love based on the road less traveled. For Scott Peck, love is the disciplined will to nurture growth both in ourselves and others. Its purpose is not romantic fulfillment, but the transformation of individuals and communities towards maturity and compassion. If embraced collectively, this vision of love can indeed make the world a better place, fostering justice, healing divisions, and cultivating resilience. Scott Peck defines love as the will to extend oneself for the purpose of nurturing one's own or another's spiritual growth. Its true meaning lies not in fleeting emotions but in discipline, intentional acts of care. Peck's purpose of love is to foster maturity, responsibility, and spiritual development. Values that, if practiced collectively, can make the world a better place. A true meaning of love by Scott Peck. Love as willful action. Love is not simply a feeling or infatuation. Peck emphasizes that love is a conscious choice, an art of will requiring effort and discipline. Love versus dependency, he warns against confusing love with dependency. Dependency seeks to fill one's own emptiness, while true love seeks to nurture another's growth. Love versus growth-oriented, the essence of love is extending oneself to support another's spiritual development. This means helping others become more whole, autonomous, and mature. Self-love and boundaries, genuine love respects individuality. Loving others requires first cultivating self-respect and boundaries, ensuring that love is not self-erasure but mutual empowerment. Why love matters today? In a world dominated by consumerism and instant gratification, Peck's definition of love as discipline challenges us to move beyond selfish desires, countering self-centered culture. By practicing love as growth-oriented care, societies can bridge in divides racial, cultural, political, through empathy and respect, healing divisions. Love, when extended to humanity in the environment, aligns with ecological ethics about caring for our common home sustainable living. The purpose of love in making the world better, which is Peck's insight and its impact on society. Personal growth. Love is nurture, maturity, and responsibility. It can create individuals who act with integrity. For the relationships, love fosters respect and autonomy. It builds healthier families and communities. Spiritual development. Love is a path to transcendence. It encourages compassion and shared meaning. Global vision. Love as discipline and sacrifice to promote peace, justice, and cooperation. That's all, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.